Excuse me.
Oh, okay, let's Jimmy, let's go.
This is only going to high school.
Jimmy, come on. Oh no, you're the six. Okay, I'm gonna take him out here, otherwise he'll die. I'll save you, Tyler. I'll save you.
What's happening?
Get in.
He's working!
Wait, what? I'm hurting. My god, I got on the run from a hacker.
Hashtag on the run from the hacker feeling cute.
Let's go, fum. Oi,
All the
man
cops are
down.
hackers. Oh my god.
Oi, man down. Let's get.
Just pull up.
What? Go. What's happening? What's happening? I'm so scared. I'm confused. What's?
Gonna place the dynamite, come on.
No, he got me.
No! Wait, what's his name?
Report it.
Oh, his name is Dark Locust.
What? Oh, my jail. Oh,
Yeah,
I think I'm in maximum security.
Wait, if we all, wait, everyone report Dark Locust for hacking.
Dark Locust.
Yeah, no, Dark Locust.
Okay, I see them.
If we all do
Report.
it,
Report for swearing, bullying, spamming. I'm gonna go for
no,
cheating.
Cheating, yeah.
Dumb. Bitch.
Oh, Jimmy, we're in the secret prison.
You a 3-day ban, did you know?
Lagging.
Yeah, we're in the secret prison.
Wait, what? 3-day ban for swearing? Give me a second. Yeah, I know.
I swear.
We're in the secret prison, Jimmy.
Hey chat, the boom. Okay. I had a feeling I was. Alright.
Alright.
Right. I had a feeling we were here. I had like a 5k bounty, so.
Well, good thing I have a boat.
Ow.
Okay. Get the
Alright, I'm up top.
Yeah, me too. I'm just here.
What do you mean up? Oh, okay.
Secret island prison.
Oh, I was camped.
I hope he gets kicked.
I hope so too. I just got camped.
Yeah, me and Nick are chilling. Our boat is flooding and everything.
Oh, hell yeah, it is.
It's like a portable pool party.
Oh, random question. How much was that pirate ship again? Like
$1 million. No, just $1 million.
Oh.
Oh, mouse wasn't working for a second. 25k? Yeah, right, not expensive. Alright, I got a
25k. It's not really not that expensive.
Okay, you know what, this is better. I like this.
Ace.
Okay, I like this. I'm just gonna chill
Oh, and
around.
Jimmy.
Yeah?
Come with me, Jimmy. I'll take you to where you can, like, change the color of it and everything.
Whoa.
I chose rainbow because my shirt's rainbow.
Yeah. We should all just make our cars rainbow so we all match.
Dark.
Nick, just press A and D.
Oh my god. Wait, hold on. If you press forward at the same time, you can actually like, wobble your way forwards.
Alright. Oh.
Hang on, I'm robbing the train.
Oh my god, and you can turn if you just press. Oh my god, it's like steering a kayak.
I feel like. Oh, I want this to be a mechanic in Creatures of Sarnia.
Look, I need a hard hand, I need a deep stroke.
Oh my god, we could actually make it to the water.
Alright, let's do this.
Yeah, my jet ski's stuck, so,
Oh god.
I don't have one.
Can you guys meet me at the gas station, please?
Oh, I'm sweating so much right now. That was so good.
Wait, where did you go? Wait, hold on. What if I'm gonna try and like
Whoa!
Wait, hold on, you guys have to sink me while I'm in my boat.
Nick, I just did a perfect flip.
Alright, you guys have to like try and sink me while I'm in my boat.
Hey,
Where
Lou.
you are?
Did you hear the sound, Nick?
Yep.
Tyler did a flip before he hit you. Where are you? Here you are. Oh. Let me just zoom out. Give me a sec. Yes! Oh, oh.
Oh my god.
I think I hit myself.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
I broke 17 laws of physics then.
Oh, you missed.
I can't even customize my boat's color.
I hit Tyler and Nick at the same time. It was amazing.
What? Oh god, the hacker's after
I
us.
gotta go.
Oh, go, Tyler, go!
The hacker just...
Go!
No, go.
I'm gonna go have dinner and probably get. Alright, stay here, Tyler. I'll be right back.
The hacker keeps teleporting onto my boat.
I'm out of here. I'm going to the Oh, I don't have a helicopter. Never mind.
I'm coming with you.
Is that you? I can't see you.
I'm in my boat.
I see you. Is that you?
Oh, whoops, I just tried to... Damn it, he's controlling my boat.
Oh no. Oh, I wish the jet ski was a two-seater. Oh no. Oh! Go, Nick, go!
Just drive away, go.
What do you mean drive? Oh, he teleported to you.
Yep.
Why would you want to hack a game like this? Okay, I'm going down. Going
He keeps
down the
like
river.
turning, he keeps taking momentary control of my boat and just
Okay,
turning
I'm
into a wall.
at the pirate ship.
Whoops. Oh god damn it, he won't leave me alone. He keeps taking control of him.
Oh, Nick, are you coming here? No. Oh,
He's left me alone now.
I just did another perfect flip.
My
Okay, well,
boat's like underwater.
I guess we can go and have fun. Yeah, like I said, portable pool party. Okay, so I guess we can go have fun now.
Yeah, righto.
I'm gonna get you. It's done.
Oh my god, Tyler's
I'm off to
just still
see
in
the
the...
wizard.
Tyler is in the water.
We need to save him.
I'll go show you where he is.
You see him. I mean, it's good camouflage. He he looks like he's having so much trouble.
Oh god, I just finished it.
He's drowning. We have to save him.
I'm you, Tyler.
Tyler, get on the jet ski. Whoa!
Wait, hold on.
I just
I'll
realized how good the swimming animation is.
I'm gonna save Tyler. I'll save you, Tyler.
He just did a jump off my jet ski.
I'll save you. Right, I'll try from this angle.
I'm drowning along with
I
Tyler.
missed.
Help me, I'm drowning.
Wait, hold on.
That sound. It's so good. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. That was so sad looking. Eat shit, I'm a police officer. Police, arrested. I got your jet ski. We swapped jet skis. I'm gonna save you, Tyler. I'm gonna save you, Tyler. I did a wheelie. I did a wheelie off his forehead. Tyler!
Come on, Tyler.
I got to. Oh my god. I think I broke my neck.
That was funny from my perspective.
It was funny from
Cool,
mine
that's
as
30
well.
seconds.
My robot wouldn't stop looking at the camera. Alright, 6 kids, let's go. I missed. I don't even care anymore. Just let him drown. Oh! Oh! I almost,
So close.
I almost landed on the end again. Ooh, hit the ramp, I missed.
Hit the ramp.
was pretty good.
What it's like to take LSD.
Riding jet skis while tripping on LSD.
That's the rainbow part.
Yeah. No, it's lake pride month.
Oh my god.
We can make this every holiday possible.
Lost 30 seconds.
What happened?
I jumped through the air and hit you. Oh god,
did
Jacob
you?
joined the game.
Oh no. Your friend. Oh no. I just unfollowed him earlier too. He's gonna be cranky with me. Oh.
Whoops. Well, I'm gonna try and go through the river. I'm gonna go try and go under this bridge. I just crashed into a waterfall. Didn't realise I was at the end.
My turn.
Stuck.
You smack your face into it. Jacob? Is that you, Jacob?
Oh my god. You go so, Jimmy.
What?
Just go left and right and left and right and left and right, like real quick. You know how you're doing it on land?
Yeah.
So fast.
Oh my gosh. Jesus. I hit the ramp by accident. My hands off my key.
Howdy, neighbor.
My hands off my keyboards and that. Like, that time I broke 26 rules of physics.
Hold on, I'm getting Discord fitness.
Me too. I'm not gonna check them.
Oh wait, hold on. You guys, you muted him.
This is riding the Doom buggy, but it actually works. Oh, double 360. Oh, landed it. I'm not gonna unmute him. No, I'm not gonna do it. Oh.
He said I can hear you. No, you can't.
No, you can't hear me. We can force deafen him, can't we?
I can't see you. You can't see me.
I can't hear you. You can't hear me.
Oh yeah, you can. I can't.
I'm not. I swear.
Oh.
Okay. Tell him to come to the harbor and buy a jet ski, and then I'll talk to him. Oh, well, excuse me.
Oh god.
Whoa.
Oh, come on, jump over the bridge. Oh, you hit me.
Wait, no I didn't. But I did so many
Well, I
amazing
got
tricks.
footage to prove it.
Oh. Every time I try to go on the bridge, I either completely fail or do an even more amazing stunt. Holy Jesus. Whoa. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
I do that so many times. It's so good. Yeah, I'll probably do it again.
I'm gonna jump the bridge.
Oh, that was pretty sick.
I'm
Whoa.
I'm up here now.
Did you land on the bridge?
Yep.
Wait there for me. I will come. I mean, let me rephrase that. I will come to you. Actually, no, that sounds worse.
Come on, come on. Oh my god!
I got that on camera.
I also got it on camera. It was so good for my ankle as well.
Oh, I made it over. Yeah.
Last 30 seconds.
Shit on the jet ski.
You could've get up
I
here.
did Nick, I did the perfect jump.
Yeah, I recorded that.
Like,
come on, this is the one. I can feel it. Never mind.
oh yes! That was so perfect. Whoa! Fist pump, come on, fist pump.
Good.
Fist pump, let's go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, boom! I'm gonna get you, Nick. Shit, wait.
No, let me get in. I'm gonna get out of here.
Oh, does that remind you of the moment from Seahorse or what?
Oh my god, that's so good.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Okay, I'm gonna try and get up there first try. Come on. Oh, I missed. Never mind.
There goes first try. I'm gonna make it to the police station from here.
Okay, first time I actually hit the ramp. I'm gonna make it. Come on, Nick. You can do it.
Come on, get
You
there.
got this.
Oh
You
shit.
got this. Oh, what? Come on.
Whoa. That was like a rubber ball. That was like a handball bouncing off a wall.
Actually, yeah.
Oh. One. Oh, I was gonna try and hit you.
No. I just cleared the
That
bridge.
was so smooth. I landed on it first try.
Damn it.
Yes. I landed in the tunnel.
Yes. Oh, what? I just did.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.
Doge is dead.
It's Doge, actually. I know, it's
Doge.
crazy. All these years we've been pronouncing it wrong.
Ooh, let's push this Doge. Did I really pull a Gabe on you guys?
God damn it.
That's how I'll record this one,
Right?
I'm at the bank.
There is something that I considered saving up for a while. Hold on, I'll see if I can. Oh, I can't open it. I don't know how. Damn it.
I think you need a helicopter to get in there, don't you?
No, you need to be a pro. Damn it, I thought you could get in there if you had a keycard.
Oh my god.
Robert!
Oh no. You made it back in.
Wait, hold on, if I run this.
Pause. Okay, let's go.
What?
Wait,
No.
Oh, it's closed.
Okay, quick, get to the car. No, because the police entered the building and destroyed us. Alright, everyone get in the car. Get in the car. People are getting arrested left, right, and center.
Shouldn't the police have to catch everyone in the building before it like closes and kicks everyone out?
Yeah, that would be good. But no, oh my god.
Whoa!
All they have to do is get it into the vault.
Yeah, I will record.
Go.
I pulled it before you, dumbass. Fine. Piece of shit.
Jimmy, calm down. It's just a joke.
I hate you. Guys, I almost have 40k. I might be able to buy a new car.
Where were you?
Wait, I just got kicked out.
I'm gonna leave. I'm at the front.
Wait, hold on, you got kicked out?
I like the car for a second.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Oh.
Windows G, circle button. Now I've got that as well.
Oh no.
I pulled it before.
This kind of like
Yeah, we have so many clips right now. I've got 4, Nick's got like, what, 3?
Ow! I just took a lot of damage. I just got struck by lightning.
That can happen. The music's still going. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, okay, let's Jimmy, let's go.
Okay, this is the underground base. Do you like it?
Jimmy, come on.
Give me
Is he really come? Oh no, he's just 6. Okay, I'm gonna take him out of here, otherwise he'll die. I'll save you, Tyler. I'll save you.
What's happening?
Get him.
He's hacking!
Wait, what? I'm hurting.
Okay, I'm waiting for Jimmy.
Like, yeah. Okay.
Hi, Lily.
Heck off.
Wait. No, wait. She can't hear you. Lily, turn your mic on. Hey, Lily. Lily, you want to hear something cool?
Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna abandon Jimmy.
You want to hear something cool, Lily? Heck off.
I said yeah.